Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei P60 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles, which are located on the top right side. So just do a swipe down from here, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. One of the toggles should be our power saving mode. Now if it's not present here, which I don't actually see it, we can click right over here on this box and then select Edit Switches, and this will reveal all the switches that are also turned off from showing up here. So as you can see, one of them is our power saving mode. So we're going to grab it, drag it over the top, drop it, select Done, and now you have access to it from your toggles. And here all we need to do is just tap on it, which will then bring up this pop-up, power saving mode, save power by disabling features such as always on display and auto syncing. So I'm gonna select enable, and that's it. It adds this little leaf in your battery icon to just allow you to see that it is running right now. Now once you're done with your power saving mode and you want to disable it, find this toggle once again, tap on it once more, and it will turn off. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.